Alright guys, we got another Harbor Freight special unboxing video. Let's do this. I think that actually went through the plastic. Okay, after all that excitement, I actually just found an opening of the box here. I'm gonna freaking open this thing up and do it. So what do we have in here? 21-piece front wheel bearing remover and installer kit. It's not opening. There it is. Ooh, foam. All right. Now these. Everything in this box, I guess. Just cups to press it in and out.